Hi Yohani, welcome
Hi.
to Film Companion South.
Thank you so
Before
much.
asking you anything else, what happened to your face?
Well, at Gurugram, I hit my face on my guitar, and
Oh God.
yeah, now it's so. At that time, I didn't realize it was gonna be this bad, but I think now it's like swollen, and I have under eye, which is really bad.
Yeah, I hope you're feeling good now.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so let me start off with one of your songs, I. It is a very powerful
I?
song. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to start off with that because that's a very powerful song and I could feel your anger, your rage towards the society. So, and that came in the initial stages of your
That
career.
was my first song.
Yeah,
actually,
yeah. So, weren't you scared that it might misfire or people might judge you in different ways?
Yeah, well, I think I've always done just things, risky things, up to now. And yes, there were so many people who told me not to put it out as my first song because it was of course, it's the journey of my music career, but it's also just telling just the bitter truth about everything. But at that time, I think it made more sense for me to put it out because I just entered the industry in Sri Lanka, and from accounting to music was a crazy jump as well. So I think with all of that, with a few couple of lawsuits and just friends being there for me, I think the summary of that song is whatever happens in the future, we'll still be friends, and I've got no hard feelings. So yeah.
If I can ask, there are all the music composers like Rahman sir, Ilaiyaraaja sir, they have a connection with UK, you know, in music.
Yeah.
So can I say you have an influence with the country when it comes to music?
I did my A-levels in the UK. I was there for 2 years, but then I came back to Sri Lanka to do my my bachelor's, and then went back to Australia again for masters. I think more than the UK, I was more influenced in Australia.
Okay.
Because I was small when I went. I mean, I was doing my A-levels, but then when I went to Australia, I could go to places on my own, and I met a lot of people, met a lot of cultures, met a lot of people who are into different kinds of music.
Right.
So to underground, to EDM, or like just acoustic vibe of things, cinematic. So that was a whole spectrum of genres for me.
So when it comes to the musical instruments, along with the modern ones, there's a lot of traditional instruments used in your songs. So do you make sure that that is there?
Oh, you mean whether I incorporate traditional? Yeah, of course I do. I try to, especially we are huge in drums in Sri Lanka. We have our traditional drums, and we have certain instruments which are really nice. So I try to incorporate those. And also some Bollywood kind of music as well, because we are of course influenced by that type of music as well.
Your music has different variations, you know, so does that come from Sri Lankan culture or the Western culture? Majorly.
I think a bit of both.
Both? Okay.
Because I can't say just one thing, because even the melodies that I come up with for my songs are not typically Sri Lankan influenced. I think it's a bit of everything that I've gone through.
Right. So you rose to this international fame with Mani Ke Mage Hite. So did you know that this is going to be your career's break, you know, an evolution to your music career?
No, not at all.
So how did this happen?
Well, I don't know how it happened. The music of it is very simple. The production of it is very simple. It's just one angle with me and Satishan. And even the for the voicing, I did the voicing at my house because I don't have a studio, and it was locked down. I couldn't go to a studio.
Yeah.
It was just inside my room with a mic. I just sang it and sent the stems to Chamat Sangeet, who is the producer of the song, to just put it all together. And so it's very authentic in that sense. And not much of planning went to it at the initial stages when we released the song. So it was a very simple journey for the song.
As a music lover, the first time I heard a Sri Lankan song was in Maniratnam's Kannathil Muthamittal, A.R. Rahman's music, in the Senore Senore song.
Yeah.
What was your reaction when you first heard that song?
I mean, there have been so many other songs that have reached international audiences as well. So it's really interesting as a country because we're a very small country
Right.
with 23 to 24 million population, if I'm not sure, somewhere there.
Yeah.
And so it's really cool to see a song, any song made in Sri Lanka that goes beyond our country, and we take a lot of pride in that.
Sure. So now that we're speaking about Rahman sir, would you be able to hum any of his song tracks if
Yeah.
it's possible?
Chinna Chinna Say?
Yeah.
That is one of my favorites.
Yeah, okay.
If I'm wrong in the pronunciation, please correct me.
No problem, you can just sing, you know, it's the music that we, yeah.
Chinna Chinna Asay, Sireke Dikumasay, Mutta Mutta Asay, Mudinda Vaika Asay, Vennila Vatata, Mutta Mida Asay, Yenna Hinda Bhumi, Suchira Asay.
Wow, that's amazing, and it sounds really good when you sing it. Wow.
I think I got the pronunciation
You
wrong,
got
but I'm
everything
sorry.
right. It's right, it's nice. So let me ask you about the process of your songs. You know, how do you come about with a song? Do you plan, or something just comes up while you're jamming with your team, or?
Well, it depends on the time, I guess. But most of the time, what would happen is I come up with like a picture, sort of like an album art
Okay.
kind of thing.
So you have something in your mind already.
Yeah, as an image,
Right.
and then I build the melody upon that and the lyrics afterwards. That's what usually happens.
So it's often, you know, heard or told that, you know, painful experiences make great music composers, you know, compose even more beautifully. So do you agree with that? You know, you'll have to experience something to make great music.
Of
Do you?
course, it
Okay.
doesn't have to be sad, but if you have an experience in it could be sad, happy, angry. But if you have that emotion, I think if you've experienced it or if you've heard it from someone and you feel it, I think that makes music more personal and authentic.
So which is your favorite song, if I can ask? If a song which you feel is very personal?
I think because that is that's my debut,
Right.
debut original song, and I actually produced the first bit of it and then gave to my producer Pasan to do it. But then the initial stages I had to do it because there were a lot of issues at that time. So I produced it, I did the melody as well, and Dilanjan wrote the lyrics. So it was a very quick one as well, but then that's got a lot of emotions, to happy, to angry, to sad, to just positive. Everything's in there.
Nice. So in this journey, did you receive any advice when it comes to your music from anyone, you know?
I've got a lot of advice.
But the ones which you feel are correct, you know, which
I
you feel
think-
you should take them.
I think the ones, the just two things that I always live by is stay focused, of course, to your
Yeah.
craft
Right.
and what you want to do, your goals, plus being true to your art. Even if someone comes and tells, oh, this is not going to work, you just have to make a stand for
Right,
yourself,
right.
to your art, whether it's going to work or not, irrespective of whether it's
Yeah.
going to work or not.
While you're coming in the car or anywhere, did you come across any Telugu song or any music that
Maybe you can suggest some and I can listen to.
I think the one that is almost very famous is the one that Allu Arjun's Alavaikuntapuramlo Butta Bomma. Have you heard that?
Oh yeah!
Yeah.
Oh yeah! That's Telugu.
Yeah, that's Telugu.
I should learn it.
Yeah. Do you like that song?
Of course. So that's sort of like Manicare in Sri Lanka. We
Oh,
don't
wow,
understand.
really?
We don't understand
Yeah, yeah,
anything, but we
yeah.
just vibe to it.
We open Instagram and we see a series of reels with your audio. Okay, so even you might have come across them. So do you think, I mean, do you like anything that is really great, you know, that's correctly suited the song?
Oh, everything. I can't just say one. I saw a lot of reels. The thing with Sri Lanka is we don't have reels
Right.
in Sri Lanka. It's not
Oh,
available yet. So
okay.
it's only from someone's.
Ah.
If someone screen recorded it.
You're
or
missing a lot then.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, I think we missed a lot, but then there are so many people who shows it through their phones and like
Yeah.
send screen recordings
Yeah,
of it.
yeah,
So
yeah.
through that we got to see a lot of it. So it's crazy. It's
Yeah.
nice to see so many people who doesn't even understand the language just listening and vibing to the song.
Yeah, that's great. So let's talk about the Z Live. You know, what do you have to tell about this Supermoon?
Yeah, well, we are part of Supermoon, now trending, and
Yeah.
going to perform tomorrow, the 3rd October at Hyderabad Hot Cup Coffee in Gachibowli.
You got that right.
I got that right. So really excited. I think my band is also really excited for it. We are just changing a few stuff here and there and trying to give the best for the crowd. So if you are around, please do come watch us perform live.
Any ending note to our audience that you know they should know about you and remember you?
Okay. Well, first of all, thank you so much for being there for me and for my music. It's been a crazy journey with Manike Mage Hite, and especially after that, Shiddat song.
Yeah, Shiddat.
Yeah, it's been an amazing journey, and there are so many songs that's gonna come up. One of my songs from my album called Kella.
Okay.
Kella is
That means?
girl,
Okay.
woman.
Okay.
A song from that is going to come out on the 9th of October.
Cool.
So that's
Okay.
going to be the first one that's going to come out in the next few weeks. So stay tuned.
So I know it's a crime if I don't ask you to sing this song, and I know it's a punishment
That's
for you
okay.
because everyone's going to ask you the
Yes,
same.
yes, of
But
course.
if you can please.
I mean, I'm still not sick of the songs.
Then okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please sing for us?
Okay, let's do it. Manike mage hite muduwe nura hengum yavi avilevi neriye numbe nage mage nete hame hayavi sihivevi.
I want the hook line. Come on, sing.
Ma hitalangama davatena huru pemaka patalena ruwanari manahari sukumali numbatama hitalangama davatena huru pemaka patalena ruwanari manahari sukumali numbatama.
Wow, that's great.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, this is Yohani. Subscribe to Film Companion South.